Are you tired of straining to hold your toddler while they reluctantly wash their hands? Are you worried that you might drop them or throw out your back? In today's climate, hand washing is a must, so I thought there must be a solution. The Toddler Tower is the answer. Made for safety and stability, the Toddler Tower allows you and your toddler to comfortably wash those dirty mitts in a fun and safe way. Your toddler will beg you to wash their hands. Here it is in action. Your toddler crawls in and climbs up and safely reaches the water, leaving your hands free to help or to get the towel ready. No more kinked backs or worries about your toddler slipping out of your hands. Now you can cherish these moments as opposed to stressing over them. The Toddler Tower can also be a good distraction in the kitchen. Watch as this toddler learns how to do the dishes. You'll see the tower is easy to climb into and out of. If you spend any amount of time in the kitchen, you know how nice it would be to include your toddler. What better way? The specs. The tower has a base that is 18 inches by 18 inches with an adjustable step that offers 6 different height settings. It has a safety bar at the top to help prevent falls. The step can be adjusted up or down, meaning it can stay with your toddler for many years. Avoid paying outrageous shipping charges for products that come from overseas. This tower is made right here in Canada from hand-selected pine. All edges and surfaces are sanded down for a smooth feel to protect your toddler from sharp corners and splinters. The Toddler Towers come raw, which would be unfinished, varnished, or painted white. Raw or painted towers have the flexibility of customizing for your toddler if you feel ambitious. Our lives have changed significantly since getting a Toddler Tower. It made for the perfect Mother's Day gift. If interested, please contact me and I'd be happy to help you and your growing family.